Let us now go back to our example of the baseball pitcher who has to decide on an action to take in a particular circumstance. So we can think of this pitcher as mapping a percept history into an action. Now imagine that this pitcher is embodying a production system. We are back to a very specific situation, and you can certainly read it again. Recall that David had given the answer, the pitcher will intentionally walk the batter. So we want to now build the theory of how might the pitcher, or in general, an AI agent, come to this decision. Recall the very specific situation that the pitcher is facing, and recall also that David had come up with this answer. So here is a set of percepts, and here is an action. And the question is, how do these percepts get mapped into this action? We are going to at once build a theory of how the human pitcher might be making these decisions, as well as a theory of how an AI agent could be built to make these decisions. So let us go back to our example of the pitcher having to decide on an action in a particular situation in the world. So the pitcher has several kinds of knowledge. Some of its knowledge is internal. It already has it. Some of it can perceive from the world around it. As an example, the pitcher can perceive the various objects here, such as the bases, first, second, third base. The pitcher can perceive the batter here. The pitcher can perceive the current state of the game, the specific score in the inning, the specific batter. The pitcher can perceive the positions of its own teammates. So all of these things the pitcher can perceive, and these then now become exact specific kinds of knowledge that the pitcher has. The pitcher also has internal knowledge. The pitcher has knowledge about his goals and objectives here.